Terry's on the parrot, and Shadows is in the rear. Twilight heaven hopeless, and nighttime is near. The moon has called to a finale, and God has puked out guts. Arabs in the corner, and demons are going nuts. God begins his practice by storming on the earth. According to one's nature, a woman was given birth. Truck pal coughed a lunger, and Satan had arrived. Dogma at the garden, through Mother's Earth's eyes. Evil fell upon them, the trucker and my gal. The rusty cage released, and fastened with a nail. Therefore our children were victims of a cold-cut universe. The youth pushing mountains, and the elder with the curse.